Okay. Vehicle failed to signal, turning off Hutchinson on the Barraque. Now the vehicle is driving in the middle of the road.
C39 City on tonight. Right.
No, I'm going to 1024. Barraque, who's at Riggs. It's going to be a silver Nissan Road, I believe. Temp Tags. I'm between 37. You know, Barraque, trying to get back on interstate. Stand by me, try to turn TV out.
Get out! Get out right now! Hey! You better get out! I ain't taking no goddamn drink. Get out! Get out! Get on the phone! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Man. Bro. Shut up! Learn to stop! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back.
Maybe.
Shut up!
Maybe. Maybe.
Nah, Palm Bluff. TVI off ramp. Correction, on ramp. Southbound 530 on T15.
I ain't do shit, bro.
10-4, Palm Bluff.
Man, I ain't do shit.
10-4, units 1064 hits there.
Man, why?
Nah, Palm Bluff.
Man, I
Way to get lost for 10-24. Stand up.
Bro, I wait on that.
I believe Arkansas County is going to be in pursuit as well. If you can contact them and get an
Damn,
update.
they do all that shit.
20 to 21, I'm public service with one of the deputies right now. There's a shooting.
Oh my God! Man, you gonna have to get up, man. You up there?
Man, no. But I'm
Get up! I got to go.
Damn, but
Man, I'm not doing that. The only thing I do is trying to put you in the car.
I'm like,
Man, you can't even stand up straight.
man.
10 and 9, where you at on top there?
I'm on Princeton Pike, right there at the on-ramp for 530 southbound. Get in the car.
I'm like, if you
Mama, I'm making it. Get in the car.
10 pound left, show me out now. 10 and 9.
Go ahead, we good.
The black Chrysler on Highway 1 towards the west. Hey, 20, are you behind me?